Well, see what happens when you don't read directions. I should not have bent those tabs. And so, you know, I'm not about ready to show you something and then not show you the complete thing. Hey, I'm going through it, and that means if I go through it, you don't have to, right? Okay, so I'm gonna gently pull this back down if I can without messing up my hole. Here it comes. Okay, I'm going to bend these back down where they were. I didn't bend them very much. And hopefully everything's going to work. I'm only doing this on the first one. Why? Because I did not read the directions, poor boy. Okay, make sure I've got this going straight this way, which I do. Right there. Push these back in. Okay. It's kind of a slick little cut in. You know? You've got to get those in right. Now I take a standard screwdriver and there's a groove here. This is kind of rubbery, but there's a little groove there where you take your screwdriver and push on it up, and it's supposed to snap into place. Let's see if it does. Man, it's not screwing. Let's try this one over here. I say to give it that little oomph, and it doesn't seem to want to go up that last little bit. Man, ooh, I'm all tired out. It should snap up in there. And see, before I pushed on it, when I bent it, I seem to have better luck bending it just a little. And it seemed to go in nice. You know, if you don't get it snapped in there properly, it's not going to hold your trim up all the way. Okay, I don't want to start beating on it because I'm going to break the sheetrock. Yes. Well, trial and error. I am going to bend this just a little bit because there must not be enough, there's not enough room here for the sheetrock, you know? It's got to snap in, there's got to be enough room to push this, and this is designed to push that way and click into place, okay? Well, we're going to try it again. Bend these out. Just a little. And you may have to play with the first one that you do as you get it all figured out. And you see why we couldn't get it any closer than that to the ceiling joist. And that's another reason why I don't want this twisted too much, right? Okay, alrighty then. Push that one back. Right there. There. Now see, that one snapped in really good. Why is this giving me fits? Oh, I got that one snapped. This one. There. Okay. Maybe you get it up there as far as you can with your fingers and then give it one last oomph. There. Okay. That sinks it into place. I like that. Yeah. Whew. Pushed in as far as I can here. There. Oh, yes. Beauty. I've got it nice and tight now. That did it. Okay, finger it as tight as you can. Get your screwdriver up there, and there's a little groove there. And that just does just the next little bit, and there's a groove in that kind of snaps into place on the side. That's nice and tight. I like it. Oh, I wasn't happy with the other way, and I'm glad I showed you that.